How to add tag to your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add tag to your profile picture on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and not settings. Here you will find it, view your profile. Click on it and then just click edit profile, and after you click on it, click edit and click view profile picture, and click these three points here in the top corner and click add tag. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.